So what are we gonna do today, guys? What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna bring you words that make you sound smart, but in reality, they're just simple words. The first word is dihydrogen monoxide. I'll show you an example. Most people think it's a deadly toxin because it has the word di in it, but in reality, it's just water. The next word is fag. I'll show you an example. Dude, go get me a fag.
Hey yo, I got one right here.
You. You may think this is what it meant, but really, it's just a cigarette. The last word we're going to cover today is heterosexual. Here's an example.
Dude, I just had heterosexual intercourse.
Dude, you're gay.
The gay boy. What are you talking about? It's normal.
Heterosexual just means straight, non-homo. This concludes our segment for today. Join us next time when we cover more words. Try to use these words. Try to use these words in. God. Most people think it is a deadly toxin by. God. Alright. Yeah. The last word. Dude,
you're gonna do a montage of that.
No.
The last word.
Alright. Dude.
Alright, redo because we can't even see you.
Oh.
What'd you say? The most loose girl asked me to have sex with her.